The Springfield XD 40 in under a minute. Let's go. Everything I'm sharing here is for the 40 caliber. I really like the chamber, but everything goes for 9 mil or any other chambers you get it. So this has a 4-inch barrel. It's actually about 7 inches overall. Comes in at 30 ounces. It is a polymer framed, forged slide. Comes standard with 3-dot sights. I happen to like them a lot. I've been shooting this a long time. If you're used to Glock U sights, you might not like it. It comes with 2 safeties. It has a trigger safety and a grip safety. Since it doesn't have a safety built into the polymer frame, you get the added benefit of a grip safety, really no extra labor or work for you. It has dual magwell release, and so you've got one here if you're a lefty, and you've got one here if you're right-handed. Comes with front and rear side serrations, also on stippling, front and rear. The polymer frame is a polymer frame. I mean, it's plastic. A really nice beaver tail and a pick rail. So this has a firing pin indicator, and then it does have, see right now it has a chamber indicator. In the dark, really you can feel and you can say, yep, I have one chambered. Yep, I am cocked, locked, and ready to go. My version comes with a 12-round magazine. All right, lat pull friends, I hope you enjoyed this 1-minute review of the Springfield XD 40. Remember to like and subscribe, get out there and live your best life.